email marketing is very powerful. You can use it to your advantage by starting to build that know, like, and trust relationship with your leads, by getting that conversation going. How do you do that? You do that by sharing valuable content that's relevant to your niche. Don't be afraid to share real life stories with them that's relevant, because people will actually read that stuff. And you got to keep in mind that the leads that you have on your list, they get bombarded with so many different emails constantly on an everyday basis. And generally speaking, a lot of those people are tired of being sold to. They're tired of being pitched to. So you got to choose to be the marketer that stands out and not only provides value to your list, but also you start developing that know, like, and trust relationship with them. Don't be afraid to bring them into your world. If you've got a real life story that recently happened, or something in your life that happened that you know is relevant to your niche, and you can teach a business lesson from it, write an email about that. People love to read that stuff. And when people read those kinds of emails, they start resonating with you. They start gravitating to you more. And some will even be more inclined to responding to your emails, because it's all about getting engagement. It's not just about just merely opening the emails, but they also have to click on the links in your emails, as well as replying to those emails as well. Now, it's not always going to be every time that you're going to get a reply to every single email, but what you want to do is you want to focus on putting out value-based content. Don't be afraid to get real and share your authentic self. Share your story and experiences that you can teach relevant lessons from according to your niche, because that's how you're going to increase your chances of being able to make sales from your list.